Hello friends, today we are going to do Aksharabhyasa N2. The letters which we are going to learn today are Dha, Tha, Dha, Bha. Let us see some words beginning with these letters. Dha, Dhana. Dhana is money. Tha, Ratha. Ratha is chariot. Dha, Dhana Dhana. It is the sound made by the bell. Bha, Bhata, soldier. So, the letters we learned today are Dha, Tha, Dha, Bha. ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. Ask the children to read the below words clearly. ಧನ, ಔಡಲ, ಥಳ ಥಳ, ಪಥ, ಕಥನ, ಢರ ಢರ, ಭಯ, ಭರತ. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. Given are a set of words in which a letter is missing. We have to fill in the right letter to form the word. Dash na, dhana. Ra dash, ratha. Dash na, dhana. Dash na, hana. Dash ya, ಭಯ. ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಹೇಳಿ. Given are a set of words. The child has to read it aloud and write in the space given below. ಧವಳ, ಧನ, ಧಗ ಧಗ, ಮಥನ, ಥಳ ಥಳ, ಶಪಥ, ಭವ, ಭಜನ, ಭವನ, ಢಣ ಢಣ. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ. ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. So, given the below picture, there are a set of letters. We have to use any of these letters and form a word. For example, they have given first word is Ratha. Ratha is chariot. Similarly, children can form words on their own. Now, let us make some words using these letters. First is Vana. Vana. Vana is forest. Rasa, juice. Ina, sun. Dhana, money. Sara, necklace. Nala, tap. Mana, mind. Nava, new. Patha, path. Kasa, garbage.